Hello students, now we will learn how to draw the solid model in the AutoCAD. Now we will solve the question number 4. So go to the AutoCAD environment, go to the settings, change the setup from the drafting annotation to 3D modeling. So question number 4, it consists of boxes as well as cylinders. Okay, so here uh, it is made up of multiple boxes and cylinders. We have to construct one by one using primitives available in the AutoCAD as well as Boolean operations. Okay, so first I will create the box with the size 60 mm length and 20 mm wide and 25 mm height. Okay, go to the primitives, click the box. So I set the view to the southeast isometric earlier. Click the randomly on the screen. So box size, box width is 20 millimeter. Press tab to define the length 60 millimeter. Height is 25. Enter. Next, constructing the cylinder right hand side. 25 mm diameter and length 20 millimeter. Cylinder, click randomly on the screen. Diameter is 25 millimeter. Enter, and the height is 20 millimeter. Now rotate the cylinder 90 degree in order to align the cylinder with the right hand side of the box. So select the cylinder, 3D rotate, select the green color ring, 90 degree, enter. Okay, so this is the required orientation of the cylinder. Now I am changing the view to the 2D wireframe model. Now I will move the cylinder towards the right side of the box. So I am applying move command. Select the cylinder, enter. Pickup point is the cylinder front plane and destination point is right side of the box. Front edge, middle point. Click. Now join the cylinder as well as box by using union command. Okay, I am applying union Boolean operation. Select the cylinder and box, enter. Okay, now the right side portion become a cylinder. Okay, so next I am creating the cylinder. Okay, I make the hollow cylinder portion right hand side. The diameter of the circle is 10 millimeter and the length of that hollow circle is 20 millimeter from the diagram. So I create the cylinder. Now go to the cylinder, click randomly the center point and define the diameter as 10 millimeter, enter. Then height is 20 millimeter, enter. Now we have to rotate this cylinder according to the alignment with the main body. Okay, so I am using 3D rotate, select the green color ring, now typing 90 degree. Okay, so it is aligned with the existing body. Okay, now I am moving, select the move command, select cylinder, enter. I am selecting the front plane, cylinder middle point, and the destination point is main body right hand side cylindrical portion I am approaching. It is highlighting the center point, that is my destination point. Okay, now I will apply the Boolean operation subtract to remove the, to make the hole. Select the body, enter, then select the cylinder, enter. Okay, now we will get the hollow portion. I am changing to conceptual mode. Okay, now we will get the hollow cylindrical portion. Okay, so next in our diagram we will make the left hand side we will make the box. Okay, there is a slot, okay, in the form of box. Okay, the size of the box So what we will do here, we will make the box and subtract that box from the main body. The size of the box is 28 millimeter length, 20 millimeter wide and 12 millimeter thickness. Create the box. Click randomly on the screen. 20 millimeter, tab, 28 millimeter length, enter, and the height is 12 millimeter, enter. Okay, so this box I will move and keep in the left hand side of the body. I am selecting the move command and picking the top plane, right hand side edge, middle, and keeping with the top edge, top side plane, left hand side edge, middle. Okay, now look the diagram. Okay, so this box is at the exactly center of the body. Okay, so this 12 millimeter box is at the middle of the body, 25 millimeter middle. Okay, so I'm selecting the box, apply the move command, 3D move, select the middle of the box and select the middle portion of this vertical edge of the main body. So move randomly and it will highlight the triangle, that is the middle point. Okay, now I will apply the move command, 3D move command, select the green color arrow and it should be moved 28 millimeter inside. Okay, so it moved 28 millimeter exactly. Now apply the subtract Boolean operation to subtract the box that we created from the main body. I am first selecting the main body, enter, then selecting the box that I created, enter. Okay, now I created the left hand side hollow portion. Okay, next I am creating the cylinder and with a diameter 10 millimeter and a height 25 millimeter, that I will subtract to create this hollow feature. Select the cylinder primitive, click randomly on the screen. Diameter is taken as 10 millimeter and the height is 25 millimeter, enter. Okay, now you move the cylinder, select the top plane, center, and keep aligned with the middle point, left hand side top edge, middle point. Okay, now apply the move command. Go to the diagram. The center point of the cylinder is 10 millimeter from the top edge. I am selecting the cylinder, 3D move. I am pressing the green color arrow mark and 10 millimeter. Okay, now it is moved 10 millimeter. Now I will apply the subtract Boolean operation. Select the main body, enter, select the cylinder, enter. Okay, now the cylindrical feature is created. We have to create the slot, okay, rectangular slot as well as a cylindrical slot, okay, on the right hand side. Okay, the size of that slot is rectangular slot. We have to create the rectangular box first, then a semi cylindrical box, okay, semi cylinder, that we have to combine. First we will see the dimension, 30 millimeter length, 10 millimeter wide and 25 millimeter depth. We will create the box first. Go to the primitives, select the box, click randomly on the screen, size is 10 millimeter is the wide, then press tab, that is 30 millimeter length, enter, and the height is 25 millimeter. Okay, next we have to create the cylindrical portion. 25 millimeter is the size of the cylindrical diameter and height is 10 millimeter. Okay, go to the cylinder option, click randomly on the screen, diameter is 25 millimeter, enter, and the height is 10 millimeter, enter. Now I will rotate the cylinder, 3D rotate, select the green color ring, 90 degree, enter, move the cylinder, select the front plane center point and keep the destination point is right side, front edge, middle point. Okay, now apply the union Boolean operation to join the box as well as cylinder. Select the box, select the cylinder, enter. Okay, now this part we will subtract from the main body. Okay, what I will do, I will select this body, smaller body, move command I am applying, select the center point, front plane center point, that I will keep in the center point of the cylinder right hand side. Okay, so here I will keep. When I approach the cylinder, it will indicate the center point. Here I will keep. Okay, I have to move this box at the middle. Okay, so the overall thickness is 20, overall width of the component is 20, and the width of this slot is 10. So remaining either side 5 mm is available. So what I have to do now is I have to move this box 5 millimeter inside. I am selecting this smaller body, applying 3D move direction. I am clicking this red color direction and moving towards left side 5 millimeter. I am entering, enter. Okay, so from the starting position it is moved 5 millimeter left side. Now I am applying the subtract Boolean operation. Okay, to make the final shape, select the larger body first, then select the smaller body, enter. Okay, now it is subtracted. I am changing the view to conceptual so that you can get the final view. Okay, so now the component is made as per the given dimensions, all features included as per the given diagram. Thank you, student.